Chapter Semiconductors and Semiconductor Devices. Question number 17. The potential barrier existing across an unbiased junction is 0.2 volt. What minimum kinetic energy a hole should have to diffuse from the P side to the N side? If the junction is unbiased, the junction is forward biased at 0.1 volt, and C, the junction is reverse biased at 0.1 volt. So what they are telling कि potential barrier is 0.2 volt. What is the minimum kinetic energy a hole should have to diffuse from the P side to the N side if the junction is unbiased? So when the junction is unbiased, suppose P is this is the middle line N. So at equilibrium there will be a depletion region. You know that this gives the potential barrier, right? So potential barrier is given what? 0.2 volt. It is given 0.2 volt potential barrier. So a hole is traveling from this side to this side. So you know this is in reverse bias. So it requires energy is equal to E into V, because it is in reverse form. So the hole which have the same charge equal to the electron is not welcomed by this. It is in reverse. So I have to, or the hole have to have this amount of energy in order to cross the barrier. So you know the charge of E, and you can even answer it in electron volt. So the answer will be 0.2 electron volt. Now it is called the junction is forward biased by 0.1 volt. So the reverse bias already set up in this is 0.2 volt, 0.2 volt, and we are helping now the holes by forwarding it. So, and its value is 0.1 volt. So it is actually decreasing the value of potential barrier. So the new potential barrier becomes how much? 0.2 minus 0.1. That is 0.1 volt. So in this case, amount of energy needed is what? E into V dash. That is 0.1 electron volt. In C case, it has been told that it is being reverse biased by 0.1 volt. Now the battery, instead of positive here, it is negative. So actually the biasing voltage is increases to 0.2 plus 0.1. So the new potential barrier becomes 0.2 volt, right? So the energy the hole should have is E double dash is equal to 0.3 electron volt. This is the explanation.